Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus and we're back with my favorite series where I take influence from other countries and cultures to create drill beats. Right now, India is my second largest audience, so it's only right I bring you part 2. The last one went crazy with almost 500,000 views, so huge shout out to everyone who showed love. But in this one, let's try to step it up further. With all that being said, let's get straight into it. Alright, so first things first, as always, I'll just set the BPM to about, let's go 145. And just to get some quick inspiration, I've pulled up the Lander Samples plugin. This allows you to sync the whole Lander Samples library directly to your DAW. So in there's over 3 million royalty-free samples from some insane creators. There's even samples from Warner Chappell Production Music with the debut label Hot Mic. So these are packs recorded by professional musicians and artists in world-class studios like the Skylight Studios in Hollywood and Soundtrack Sound in Nashville. Like, check out some of the brass. It's so cinematic. Sounds crazy. This one too. I've been meaning to use this one. Maybe for the next one. So there's loads to choose from in here, but like I said, I want to create an authentic Indian vibe. So I'm just going to go to search. We'll type in Indian, and I've already saved this one. Like straight away. Simple, but I'm just getting that authentic vibe. Be a good starter. So we can just use a credit to download it, and you can see because we've got the sync button on, it's picking up the project BPM. And if we select the session key, like for example if we're working in C# minor, you're gonna hear it change. So now you can just quickly browse through samples to match your project key. But yeah, let's drag this in. Let's just stretch this a bit and see what else there is. Even this part could sound hard. We'll use this as one part and then stretch this one as well. Because it's played so naturally, there's not really a BPM, so I'm going to fix it in Time Warper. So that part's right. This just needs to come back though. And then here as well. Alright, so we got this. I don't mind things being played naturally, but I think those will just work better with drums. Let's keep building on this. I'm thinking some type of woodwind, maybe some vocals, and then we can flip it. Oh, this one sounds crazy. Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah, straight away it's synced up. Oh, these vocals as well. This is gonna sound sick. I wish I knew what she was saying though, cause you know I'm about to make some evil drill beat. She could be saying the sweetest thing. I think one more vocal after that though. Maybe this one too. Yeah. Once it's processed, it sounds crazy. And if you want to try Lander Samples for yourself, you can get 1,200 yearly credits with access to over 3 million royalty-free samples with Lander Studio. It also comes with over 40 plugins from companies like Lander, Arturia, Spitfire, Cable Guys, and more. On top of that, you get unlimited distribution to get your music on all major streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, 170 courses, and access to exclusive discount if you use the link in the description, or if you just scan the QR code here. So a huge shout out to Lander for sponsoring the video. Let's get back into it. Let's pull up Lander Voice. It's a nice easy plugin to affect the vocals. I like this spacey preset. Straight away. Now we could just filter this a bit. So we can have one part with the vocals, then one part where the flute comes in after. You know what? I bet that vocal preset will actually sound sick on the flute. Yeah, that's cold, you know. That works. Sounds hard. I think this might be ready to flip, but we'll see if there's anything else we could add. Maybe just one tempura. I think that's how you say it. Just a root note hitting. Yeah, that matches the vibe. Just that one note. Just gonna compress that main sitar a little bit. Alright, so we've got these 3 parts. Let's just render it and then we'll see if it's missing anything. Okay, let's try a few things. We always have to try reverse it. Could add some halftime. Pitch it up a bit. Or even down. Ooh, this is sounding evil. You know what? I'm not really feeling any of the flips I'm trying, but we've always got to see. Let's run with the original. But I think just pitch down a bit. Let's just test it with the drill bounce first. To see if it even works. I think it will work better in this section though. Yeah, like in this part, it's perfect. Maybe in the first one, we go more like HoodTrap bounce. Guess it would be like a jerk drill beat, whatever you want to call it. Let's go to my HoodTrap drum kit. Start with this. I think this bounce is going to work better. Let's bring this in as well. Actually, let's go to the Dominion kit. I always like to use this. Let's bring in this too. We'll just get something light. There we go. Maybe stretch this one out. Alright, 8 weights. Gotta have the spins for one of them. Well, just wait, because there'll be a drill section too. They were just switching it up at the end. You get more of the Arabic scale in this end section. Let's get some open hats in as well. Short ones sound crazy. Just gonna add this other snare for atmosphere. It's like an old drill snare. This one more here. Of course, we're gonna go back to Planet Drill and let's get a drum fill in. Yeah, let's get those at the end. Alright, let's grab a stomp in like this. Just copy those. Alright, that might be enough for this section. But then when it gets to this part, I need to transition it to drill. Yeah, this will work. This section's nice and open, so loads of space for drums. Layering that one for some atmosphere. We can use this same second counter snare too with the flake one. So we'll copy that. Alright, so now we've got more of a bounce. I think in this part though, we'll have a bit more Indian percussion. Yeah, something like this. I think I'm gonna just take that as a one shot though. When I'm using percussion, I like to tune it as well. So this one was hitting on D sharp, even up here. There's something to add to that authentic vibe. They might even have some percussion in samples. Let's have a look. We'll go one shot. Yeah, stuff like this. I think just the ending of that one as well. And then we've got the fills too. Alright, let's get the 808 in. Go for something dark like the Rider one. nothing too crazy with the slides. Then just a few more here. I think we need to fill out the melody a little bit. I'm gonna make it unique. Pitch this one up an octave, add some halftime, and then we'll also just cut a lot of the lows out. Now we just got a nice top melody. Yeah, we'll have it like that, just fading in. Okay, last thing is just going to be this filler, I think. Then the small one. This part's sounding wild now, you know. Alright, then we just got this one section at the end where the vocals come in. So we could just add a sub bass here. You already know what sub bass I'm going to add. Of course, it's the Dirty Reese one. Every time, man. And then because this is the bridge, it's going to make it sound a little bit different. And then it can just gradually come off. We'll also add tape, and this is one that comes with Lander Studio too. We're going to use the electric piano source preset. And then we'll automate that too. Just adds a cool filter sound. Alright, I think we're there, man. I just need a minute to arrange it and then we'll play the final thing. Alright, man, so I've done a quick structure. I think it sounded crazy, but let me know what you think.
Cactus.
Energy in this is wild, man. And we've got the drill part coming in. Switch up's crazy. Quick cut. And a bridge. So I hope you're feeling this one, man. If you want me to continue this series, let me know in the comments what country you want me to do next. And if you want to check out Lander for yourself, the link's in the description.